ongoing pa rin nagpapalutang ng stop talks and allegedly may mga active in military and police service na nare-recruit or nare-recruit. Your thoughts on this?
Well, lagi na lang may lumulutang naman ng mga ganyan. So, be that as it may, wala pa kaming tutumbok na any active duty na members of the armed forces nakasama sa kahit anumang destabilization. Wala. Pero siyempre, maraming gusto mag-engganyo na armed forces, no? Because, why? Its credibility is high. So, it is a lucrative target for anybody who wants to destabilize the government.
So, paulit-ulit na nga ito. Hindi nyo credible pa bang i-check ito internally, like loyalty check?
Sa akin kung walang ebidensya, masyadong maraming trabaho ang Armed Forces of the Philippines para i-subject sa ganyan.